Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we're taking a closer look at one of Casio's basic Ana-digi watches, the AW-49. If you're searching for an affordable multifunctional timepiece, stick around because it's going to be super fun. Let's start by talking about the dimensions. This watch is about 38mm wide, 45mm long, 10mm thick, and just weighs 30 grams, making it lightweight and compact, suitable for various wrist sizes and daily wear. The design exhibits basic simplicity and elegance. The markers add a touch of classic style, making it versatile for both casual and also semi-formal occasions. Now let's get to the technical side. The watch features an analog part and a relatively small digital display, providing a blend of classic and modern styling. It's worth noting that the analog and digital times are not fully synchronized, meaning each requires separate settings. The only visible connection is that every 20 seconds, the digital time triggers the analog hands to move by a third of a minute. The AW-49 is powered by a single SR920W battery, offering a lifespan of 3 years, so you don't have to worry too much about battery changes. It's also water resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday use and even some water-related activities. The watch case is made from resin, the display is covered with a spherical resin crystal, and the strap is PUR resin. One thing to consider is that the resin crystal is spherical and lacks bezel protection, making it prone to scratches and also smudges. Now, moving through the digital functions is quite interesting, or should I say challenging. We only have 2 buttons to access the digital watch and another 1 button to set the analog hands. Of the 2 buttons, the top left button is for moving through the menus, and the bottom left is for adjustment and also starting and stopping. Setting the watch or using features like the alarm and stopwatch will take some time for someone who is used to digital watches with 3 or more buttons. The buttons themselves are acceptably responsive, although they may not look the best, as if they appear to stick out from the case and could possibly get caught on a jacket sleeve or be accidentally pushed. Taking a closer look at the case and bezel, you will appreciate the attention to detail despite the simplicity. Casio has their way with the fine details, although we cannot expect that to last long with the resin material. Anyway, one thing I don't care about is the 4 decorative pins around the corners. On the back side, you will find a stainless steel back plate with 4 screws securing the internals. It's clean, sleek and functional, adding to the overall favorability of the timepiece. The strap, made from PUR resin, is comfortable during extended wear. It has a classic sleek style that complements the case styling. Here's the buckle side with a plastic buckle, and here's the tail side. The strap lock interface uses a rather uncommon 19mm spring bar, which may add some difficulty if you ever need a replacement spring bar or want to change the strap. There are also some customer concerns about the durability of the strap pins. Moving on to the watch face or the display, the analog portion is easily readable with only 2 hands, the hour and minute. And for this model, the hands and markers have lume that will slightly help low light readability for a few moments. But then here comes the biggest thing to consider. For the digital display, not only it's quite small, it also lacks a backlight. This absence of a backlight could be a big no for some users. Now, let's talk about the features, especially the digital part. This watch provides information on the current time, calendar, alarm with hourly signal, dual time, and stopwatch. These functions are sufficient for most everyday use and even for travel enthusiasts. In terms of comfort, this watch gets a big yes. The lightweight design and slim profile make it feel like wearing an F91W or an MQ24. However, the bands on my watch are still a bit stiff, but I'm sure they will break in easily. Okay, time for pros and cons. So what's good about this Casio AW-49? Well, it's affordable, lightweight, easy to read as an analog, and has the functions of a digital watch, making it a practical choice for many users. On the other hand, there are two main things to note. First is the lack of a backlight, which would be a drawback if you rely on your watch in low light conditions. And then the spherical resin crystal with no bezel protection will be prone to scratches. Additionally, several customer reviews also mention durability issues with the spring bars. So, who would benefit the most from this Casio AW-49? If you're searching for an affordable analog digital everyday watch with dual time zone functionality, and you can overlook the absence of a backlight, then this could be the perfect fit for you. And there you have it, our in-depth review of this little cool timepiece. If you already own this watch or have any questions, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.